And applied a face mask because my skin has been out of whack. It's been really dry and I just needed to do something, so I applied this face mask. It's from Benefit. It's the pore something. It's for your pores. It's to take out all the gunk from your pores. So I just applied this really quick before I take a shower, and then afterwards I'm gonna apply like my skincare, like the little things that I use for my skin, and I'm not gonna put on makeup today. I also want to shave my face, so I'm gonna buy facial razors today because like I said, my skin has just been out of whack. It's just it has not been fun. So yeah, we're gonna do this and then we're gonna jump in the shower. So I'll see you guys once I'm getting ready. My boyfriend's coming today because we are going to be meal prepping, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me for grocery shopping and how I'm gonna cook everything. So yeah. Okay guys, I know I said that I was gonna show you guys how my skin looked and everything, but I just started getting ready right away, and this is how we're looking. I curled my hair, and I honestly don't really like my hair curled, but I just felt like I wanted to try something new today, and I feel so pretty. This is what the vibes are. Let me just show you guys. Okay, so I'm wearing this bodysuit. I turned it more into like a crop top though, and then I'm wearing these shorts, and then I'm gonna just wear like some sneakers, and then this is my hair. This is the vibes. And then my makeup, I did it very simple. There's too much sun right here. I did it very simple, and I'm obsessed with myself. I feel so pretty. So cute. Hi. So yeah, now I'm just gonna sit here and wait for Gerardo to come. He said that he was gonna get here like around 4. It's currently 3:25, but what happened? So he said he was gonna get here like at 4. It's currently 3:25, but let's see where he's at. I have his location. He's about 40 minutes away. Yeah, 40 minutes away. So he should be getting here, oh, exactly at 4. Exactly at 4. So, yeah. But we'll see you guys once we head out to start shopping and see how everything goes. I don't know exactly what I'm making him today, so we're gonna figure that out, and I'll update you guys later. My dad went to go buy stuff, but yet he didn't bring me a taco. ¿Y a mí por qué no me trajiste un taquito?
¿Por qué no compré tacos?
Ah, sí te miré que tiraste algo ahorita.
Era un pedazo de pastel que compré.
Oh. Hey guys, my honey finally picked me up a million years later, and we are on our way to Target. Right? We're going to Target?
We're gonna get a Target.
Well, you do need broccoli.
We're gonna get things from there.
And chicken. That's all you need, no?
Yeah. You have all the spices and stuff, right?
What spice?
The spices and stuff that you need. You have everything ready now.
Yeah, I thought you wanted me to make you what I made you the first time. The broccoli with the chicken and potatoes? Is it that what you wanted?
You have potatoes at home?
You didn't buy any? I mean, you didn't bring them?
No.
Okay, so I can make you rice?
I thought you were doing the fried rice with garlic chicken.
So what's the broccoli
and then
for?
just broccoli on the side.
Huh?
With
oh, and then broccoli on the side?
Instead of zucchini, like you said.
Oh, the zucchini was for something else. I don't know. We're going to try to figure it out. But I wanted to go to Target because I've been wanting to go to Target, but he hasn't been wanting to take me because I don't know why. Why haven't you been wanting to take me to Target?
Why? Because sometimes, you know, you come out of there with stuff that you don't really need.
I told him that I wanted to go to Target, and he was like, what do you need? I was like, Target's gonna tell me what I need. So that was the goal, but he hasn't been wanting to take me. And then I told him that I wanted to get new books, and he said that I don't need any more. So yeah, we're gonna see what stores we go to. We're probably gonna go to Walmart. That's where we always go to get the groceries. And then hopefully Target. I really want Jamba Juice. Can you go to Jamba Juice? My mom, but huh?
So I'll share one with you.
You don't really like Jamba Juice, huh? Okay, guys. So this is the thing.
Wow.
My boyfriend here. My boyfriend here.
What's the thing?
We like very different things. We really do. Everything that I like, he does not like, and it makes me sad.
Like what though? I do like
Seafood. Don't
that's the
like
only
it.
thing.
Don't like it. Certain meats. Don't like it.
Yeah, and
Doesn't like Chipotle.
yeah, no. But for actual taco truck, and that.
What else do I like that you really don't like? Jamba Juice.
I like Jamba Juice.
Anytime I mention Jamba Juice, he's like, not really. But I just want like a smoothie.
If it comes to like down to drinks like that, I prefer like the slush, boba slushy.
I'm not really a fan of boba. Only the cookies and cream one, which doesn't really count as boba, right? It has boba in it.
Yeah. Like as long as it's you get it from a boba place, it counts. Because they have different flavors, so.
I really want to try the taro one. I hear that one's really good.
Is that the purple one?
Is it good? You tried it?
No, never tried it.
But yeah. So we'll see where we end up, but we'll see you guys once we're there. Guys, I forgot to bring you guys along with us to the store to pick up everything. And I got in the car and I was like, oh my god, I did not bring down the camera. But we got the goods. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm gonna make. It's like a honey garlic chicken with fried rice. It looks really yummy. So that's what we're making today. Yum, yum, yum. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm like, always excited for
Sundays?
the new dish of the week.
Yes, the first time I made him just chicken, broccoli, and potatoes, right? And then last week I made him chicken fajitas with cilantro lime rice. And then today we're making chicken with fried rice.
Garlic honey chicken. Garlic honey chicken.
Yeah?
With
It's gonna-
fried rice.
It's gonna hit the spot. Hopefully I don't want any because it looks so good. But I'm over here wearing freaking booty shorts and it's raining. Like we walked out of Walmart and it's fucking raining. Like what? Why is this happening?
I think this will be the last week.
It's gonna rain?
Of like 60-degree weather with rain. Because then it'll be April. And you assume that it would be back. You would assume it would be back in the 70s
Yeah.
and higher, which I think it will be the case. But you never know.
Here with this bipolar ass weather.
This is El Nino weather season still.
What?
El Nino.
What does that mean?
It's weather season,
El Niño.
which means a wet. Usually it means like a wet weather season. It's not every year that happens. It's like I forget how often, how many years it is, but it's like
You
once
know a lot
while.
of stuff about the weather and and stuff.
I know
What?
many things.
Okay, so we're on our way to Target. I don't even know why we're going to Target. Why are we going to Target?
I don't know either.
I just want to go and see. I just been wanting to go. So we're gonna go see what we find and what catches our eye. Oh, a mini Pizza Hut pizza.
Yeah, might as well.
My mom made some yummy tortas today. This is what we had for dinner. Some chicken tortas. But I am about to start prepping everything for his meal prep. I'm gonna show you guys here like a picture of like what I'm gonna be making, or you guys are obviously gonna see it like afterwards, but I'm so excited. It's gonna be so good. So I'm just gonna start mixing everything together, cutting up all the chicken and all that. This is how the meal prep is looking. Got the chicken cooking with the veggies and the eggs, and then I'm gonna pop in the rice. This is the first time that I make sticky rice. I've never knew how to actually make them, so shout out my mom for helping me. And then yeah, I'm so excited to see how everything tastes. Hi. So this is what the meal preps look like, and then also with the side of broccoli, but he's gonna do that on his own when he gets home. But it looks so good. I told him that I'm missing like spring onion and sesame seeds. I feel like that would have made it a little like extra yummy, but overall it looks good, and it's supposed to be about like 50 grams of protein. So yeah, I also made some for my brother. This is one of them. There wasn't enough chicken, so I'm gonna probably make more tomorrow, but I'm thinking about making teriyaki chicken because there's a lot of like fried rice left over, so that's gonna be his lunch as well, because he's been asking me to also meal prep for him. So there we go. We have to make his overnight oats. I also do that. Finished making all of the oats. This is what they look like. The overnight oats. So it's just rolled oats with almond milk, protein powder, and some blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries with cinnamon. And I'm officially done, so now time for ice cream.
Where's that?
Raspberry cheesecake from Thrifties.
The best one?
Mm-hmm. Want some? I'm the only one that eats it, so that's why I'm eating it out of the tub, so. Another successful meal prep day. Right, babe?
Yeah. Can't wait for this new recipe. Stay tuned. New recipes every week.
Mm-hmm.
By yours truly.
Yours truly. We'll see what we come up with next week. What do you think?
Yeah.
No, what are you thinking for next week?
Huh?
What are you thinking for next week?
It's too early to think about that.
I usually go on TikTok
Yeah.
and try to look for some.
But the ideas are endless. So many
Definitely.
recipes.
So we'll see what we do. But now we're just gonna eat ice cream and cuddle. Bye.